In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant Serialization error action needed. The first thing I suggest you do is you find Valorant, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now if you already had them activated when the error occurred, try and tick them off, apply, and then on and apply. After that, search for temporary files, delete temporary files, and it's gonna look like this. You wanna open up the temporary files, and in here we wanna make sure that we delete everything except our downloads folder. So you can just choose everything except the downloads folder. But if you wanna keep the recycle bin, you can also keep that one. Just make sure that these are getting deleted. So simply click remove files and then wait for it to remove them. After that is done, what we want to do is we want to try and restart our PC and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you do a clean reinstall of Valorant. So come here and search for apps and features, then search for Valorant, click on it, uninstall, and then reinstall it from the right client. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.